How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to activate your HSBC debit card online. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's actually read through this guide and talk about why this is a thing with HSBC. And without pointing the obvious, I mean, it's there for security reasons and just to make sure that you guys aren't a bot and so that your HSBC account doesn't easily get compromised. So let's actually read through this. So HSBC debit cards delivered after the 30th of November 2022 don't need to be activated. They can be used right away. You'll just need to use chip and pin once. Then you'll be able to use the contactless features of your card. Now this where it talks about when cards need to be activated, and it's during the period where it's before the month of November. So it reads cards delivered before then do need to be activated as do HSBC credit cards. You can do this via online banking or the HSBC mobile app, along with a few other methods. So it says that there are actually a couple of ways to activate your HSBC card. So we'll be going over those aforementioned methods and talk about how you guys can go about doing the activation. So step one, we'll be starting with the online banking app, or I should say the website. So what you guys would need to do to activate your HSBC account, assuming that you've already signed up, is you need to head over to their website and sign into your account. Now, once you're in, you want to click on Manage, and this is normally found on the top right corner of your screen when you click on the profile icon, and there should be an option there that says Activate your card. Now, the website will then generate a list of the cards that you have registered to your account. Now, you want to choose the card that you want to activate. And once you've made your selection, simply click on Activate, and you guys should be good to go. Now you can use the card whenever you want. Confirm, and your card will be ready to use. Now, the same goes for the mobile banking app, only this has biometrics involved. So when you open the app and log in, you could either manually enter your login details or use biometrics or your phone's passcode. Now, when you do that, you want to click on Account, and this should show you the option to manage your cards. Now, from here, from the selection, you want to click on the card that you want to activate and simply click on Confirm, and your card will be ready to use. Now, the reason this exists is because it acts as a security measure, as anyone online can actually create an account, but by adding this extra step, the bank itself is able to filter out bots from actual real people. So having this extra step that the bots can't do acts as a security measure. So this way, if a bot creates an account, they can't actually use the credentials on that account because they wouldn't have activated the account in the first place. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out on learning how to activate your HSBC card online. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.